Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we're back. What are we doing? Let's take a look. We are doing Main Street Mail. This is their November box. It is the Castle Correspondent. That is $100 plus shipping. And we're going to get into this right now. Alright, so let's get into it. I pre-cut this one because it's completely made of tape, and I didn't want you to watch me fight through it. So, I think I got it. Okay, ready? Alright, we got a lot of green confetti and a really nice picture of Walt. This looks like a watercolor. They do such really nice drawings and put them in each box. That is so cool. Chris, we hope you love this Walt box. Walt box? Hope you are feeling better. Main Street Mail. Thank you guys so much, ladies. We are definitely starting to feel better. Alright, this is probably going to help with that. Ready? Lots and lots of confetti. Lots and lots of confetti. Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. Looks like maybe a shirt. I like shirts. Alright, I can tell what this is. So I have a pin and a sketch that I framed and is in my living room of this design. And I love it. And it's my size. This is one of my favorite prints that they've done. Mickey looking in a mirror and painting Walt. How cool is that? Let's throw this up. Look at this! Can you see it? Look at that! Looks like I'm wearing a grass skirt. Nice! I love it! And inside the bag that had the shirt in it was this little guy. Oh, that's so good. So it's Mickey holding up a framed picture of Walt. So this is a vintage item. So if you're into vintage items, Main Street Mail is the only place that I think you can ever get them from. So this is an '08 pin. And I do not have this, and I am thrilled to have it. I'll throw it in the photo box so you can check it out. Boop. Look at that. Oh, this one's going in my special case. That's so cool. All right. Here's the spoiler sheet. We'll throw this off to the side. And then let's start with this. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this really is a Walt box. So this is a postcard. There's no date on it. I hope maybe they were able to find one and put it in the spoiler sheet. So this is definitely an old Disneyland postcard. The back of it. I only hope that we never lose sight of one thing. That it was all started by a mouse. Can't see that, but I'll put the front of the card in the photo box so you can take a look. Boop. I will definitely frame this. It's got all the characters in the background. And Mickey's snuggling up next to Walt's head. Very cool. Thank you. Alright. Let's see what this one is. It's... Oh! I almost got this for myself when I was in the park and I didn't, and I was bummed that I didn't get it when I got home. So it's the partner's statue, and it has that kind of pewter look to the plaque on the front of it, and this is so cool. So on the back it says, "I only hope that we never lose sight of the one thing that it all started by a mouse, Walt Disney." This is an excellent mug. I'm gonna throw this in the photo box so you can get a look all the way around. Boop. Oh, that's so cool. I'm using this in the morning. Very nice. And finally... Oh. I don't even have to snap this one out. I get to see it first. Ready?
Oh my god.
Look at that! Oh! It's sepia tone. Oh, I love it! Mickey painting Walt. It's double matted with white and black. Oh, I love it. That is excellent. That's a good box. Alright, so, spoiler sheet. I will throw this up on the screen for you. Boop. Shirt, $21.99. I like it. Pin, $10. Mug, $19.95. Vintage postcard, $5.99. Print, $50. Wait, did they forget? Oh no, pin. Okay. Awesome. $107.93. So this box costs $100 plus shipping. Vintage items, again. So this pin is 12 years old. It's in perfect shape. They put it at a value of $10, which you can't buy this unless you luckily find one on eBay and hopefully it's in good shape. So I think the valuation of the vintage stuff is always really good. The postcard, $6. Any postcard in Disney is going to cost you more than that, and it's a vintage postcard. I love these things. And that print, $50. Oh, love that. All right. That's it for today. I gotta go order some frames. If you would like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here. If you would like to subscribe to our channel, please click the button right here. And I hope you're having a great day.